Hello guys, welcome back again to another tools and gadgets. Today I'm gonna be installing the base of this Doona here on the car. So I'll be teaching you guys how to install this so that your baby won't go anywhere when you're driving. Okay, so let's go. Oh guys, so what we have here is the base for the Doona, and what you want to do first is that we're gonna be making sure that there will be a latch here for the base. So let's go ahead and remove this so that we'll be installing this on both sides. Right, then after that we are just gonna be looking where the okay, so as you can see, there is the metal bar there, so we're just gonna latch this, right? And on the other side, let's go ahead and do the same thing. All right, when you hear the click, that's okay. And so as you can see right now, it's still loose, right? So we're just gonna be pulling on this until it feels more secure. And then what you want to do next is that center this ball to the green area. In order to do that, let's go ahead and raise this base up until we could see the ball starting to align on the middle of the green. Yeah, so whenever it's already too tight, we could also release this so that we could go ahead and raise it more until the green is already, the ball is already centered. Okay, so it's already tight again, so let's go ahead and slowly release again so that we could raise it more. Okay, so just do this process over and over again. Okay. So as you can see, the ball is already in the green, so that should be good. So let's go ahead and install the Doona. Okay guys, so we'll now try to install the Doona. Okay, so it locks into place already. What you will be indicated by this green right here. So if it's not latched properly, this is still orange or red. So, and also we can see here that the ball is in the middle of the green, so that means that the baby is perfectly aligned with the car. Yeah, so it's not going anywhere. So in order to release this, you just need to press this and release, and you can take out the baby. Yeah, so that's it guys. So if you have any questions on how to install this, just comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next vlog. Bye.